Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to use two WhatsApp in iPhone. I have two options, okay? Your first option is you want have two accounts WhatsApp in the same iPhone. Can you use this app store and use two accounts dual space, okay? This app is very easy, is free, is official, is security, and easy your use, okay? This is the one option, okay? Now if you want two different accounts in the same iPhone, you use, okay, can you use virtual sim, okay? With the virtual sim you can have two numbers with the same sim and iPhone, okay? Oh, now require iOS 15 or later, okay? Tell you account. Sorry for my bad English, I want to try and learn to speak English. The first option is the best. Two accounts dual app space is the best option if you want use two accounts WhatsApp, okay, in the same iPhone. This is all from this video. I wait that you have a good day. Sorry for my bad English, I want to try and learn to speak English, and this is all. See you later, man. I appreciate your like in this video, and have a good day. Bye bye.